එකේ මේ වගේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට්ස් කරනවා උයි අනිත් එක මේ ක්ලබ් එක මේ වගේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට්ස් කරනවා කියලා. My Lion app එකට ගියාම නැත්නම් My LCI වලට ගියාම අපිට පේනවා අපි report කරපු මට්ටමින් ඒගොල්ලෝ කියලා තියෙනවා this is the amount of projects you have done, this is the amount of Lion hours you have invested. ඉතින් තමාගේ activities membership එකට report කරන්න district එකට report කරන්න හැබැයි importantly Lions Club International එකකට report කරන්න. Reporting වලදී report කරන්න නැත්නම් මොකක් හරි අපහසුතාවයක් තියෙනවා නම් කරුණාකරලා තමාගේ zone chairperson region chairperson කතා කරන්න. But also please feel free to contact me. I'll be glad to help you with how to get your reporting done and even share some formats or templates for your reports. So the next important responsibility is meetings. Now, what is the purpose of a meeting? As Lions, we have several purposes, but just let's go through. We share information, we make decisions, we create solutions, we share inspiration, we negotiate, we educate, and most importantly, we build relationships. We are a service organization. අපි ස්වේච්ඡාවෙන් තමයි මේ Lions Clubs වලට බැඳෙන්නේ. And if we don't build relationships, we will not see our members attending the meetings. So our meetings have to be a forum where people get together. Next slide, please. Hari. So we have some quick tips for organizing and conducting successful meetings. I'm not going into telling you how to make your agenda, as to how to conduct your meeting, as to what you should do, but there are basic things. You make your agenda in advance and share it with either your members or your board members. If you have a speaker, you tell the person in advance how long they have to speak and things like that. හැබැයි දැන් Lions Clubs තියෙන විදියට දැන් ඉස්සර වගේ නෙමෙයි, there are different types of Lions Clubs, there are different age groups. Lions Club International has introduced your club your way. So now this is done, you act within the frameworks of Lionism, within the frameworks of the meeting protocols, but your club has the freedom to structure the meetings in a way which is best for your members. Then අපේ මං ඉන්නේ Colombo host Lions Club එකේ අපේ ක්ලබ් එකට දැන් අවුරුදු 62යි. ඉතින් අවුරුදු 62ක ට්‍රැඩිෂන්ස් අපි සමහරක් තැන්වල පාවිච්චි කරනවා. හැබැයි සමහරක් තැන්වලදී අපි අලුත් ඒවා ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරලා තියෙනවා. But we do that by discussing with the members, checking to see what's happening, and we have restructured meetings to get everyone involved. So we have to please understand, this is something that has been introduced by Lions Clubs International. You have to value what we have, but you can restructure meetings as well. Next slide, please. And something that we also have done is if you find the term meeting unfriendly or boring, you can bring in new terms. It's a club event, it's a gathering. So reinvent your general meeting. How important or how successful your meetings are depends on how many members actually participate. Member participation is a key element in finding out how interested are your members, how involved are your members, are they making time for you. Lions Club meeting එකදී සමාජිකයන් එන ගානano බලන්න පුළුවන්. හරි දැන් මේ කට්ටිය මේ අපි කරන දේවල් වල ඉන්ට්‍රෙස්ටඩ්ද, මේක ඒගොල්ලොත් එක්ක ඒගොල්ලන්ට එච්චර කැමැත්තක් නැද්ද, ඒකද එන්නේ නැත්තේ. So just check how many people come, and their participation is actually something that you can look at in terms of finding out what to do. So go ahead to the next one. Okay. We are all in a post-COVID situation. A lot of clubs are conducting their meetings online. With this being online, sometimes it may get all haphazard, but it cannot be like that. We can set an agenda and agree on remote meeting guidelines. Why this is important is because then everyone knows what's happening, people participate, and everybody is given an opportunity to participate. So you need to plan your agenda even though it's on physical meeting or a remote meeting, right? And it's better to share the agenda with people in advance. Now this is something even what Lion Nishanta mentioned on the Sunday session with the presidents, that definitely in the Lions Club of Moratoa, they always do that, they share the agenda in advance. rather than on that day you run around saying me where may pledge karanda pledge kohetienne where chief guest to introduce karanda. And please, if you have a chief guest, make sure you find the biodata in advance as well. So even for virtual meetings, it's important to create a clear meeting agenda. You can play around with your agenda to make it online friendly. ඉස්සර වගේ පැය දෙක meeting තියන්න අමාරුයි, because if you're using Zoom, the free session goes off after 40 minutes. But if you plan it well, you can actually finish your meeting in 40 minutes and even 1 hour. So what are your key talking points? What is your meeting structure? Who is going to attend? Who is going to do what area? And what are we responsible for? So if possible, please share your minutes and everything in advance. Any introductions you share in advance. So it's very important that people are prepared. So it's very important for meeting agenda and guidelines, even for a virtual meeting and a normal meeting. Next one, please. Tusita, we can share the presentation into the chat box so that people can download if they want to.
Okay, sure.
So I got this off the internet because this is obviously a new thing, because it's ultimate guide to remote meetings in 2020. I thought we can actually look into it for our Lions clubs and work. So choosing the right tools for the job, identify which tools you need, why audio and video are non-negotiable, what you need for a meeting. So this laying the foundation for successful virtual meetings with a virtual water cooler. What it means here is, don't let only the speaker speak. Have an area where, have a time where your members speak to each other, even though it's a virtual meeting. Now, even our club, when we have our virtual meetings, once the agenda is over, we spend about 10-15 minutes, just chit-chatting, catching up. Because at the end of the day, building relationships is a very important thing, that very important element of meetings. So you can also, you have to work through conflicting schedules, set the agenda. Your etiquette for online meetings is very important. The same way you have etiquette for your physical meetings, you'll have etiquette for online meetings. It's like when you send emails, it's the same etiquette you follow when you write letters. You need to be careful as to how you do it. And you have to keep the team engaged. Make sure everybody who's participating has a role to play and they are there, not that they suddenly knock off the screen and go for a walk. And your follow-ups. Next, please. Okay, so this session is for secretaries and for marketing communications chairpersons, because basically they are the ones who will do most of the communicating as on paper. So let's see, what is public relations? The professional maintenance of a favorable public image by a company, organization, or a famous person. The state of a relationship between a company or an organization or a famous person and the public. So if we take here, this year, more than any ever before, internal communications and your internal customers are going to be very important. Who are your internal customers? The members. So in the same way we will communicate to the public, we have to communicate internally as well. And one thing is, we Lions are excellent service personnel. We do fabulous service. It's unbelievable the amount of work we do. If I had the opportunity to go through quite a few club reports this year, because most of them were copied to me. But unfortunately, we are not very good at talking about what we do. So we need to take the opportunity to talk about what we do, because it's very important, not that we are just blowing our own trumpet, but because we use public funds to do these service projects. When we raise our image in the public, we also raise our possibilities of attracting quality people to join our movement. So it's twofold. Next one, please. So Lions Club International created this new role, it's a relatively new role of the marketing communications chairperson. So the key responsibility of this marketing communications chairperson is to market what the Lions Club does. So you can understand now that Lions, even at international level, have realized the importance of marketing communications. So even though PR is every Lions responsibility, the marketing communications chairperson is the person in charge of taking the message of the Lions Club to the public. Let's look at some simple tips. Communicating about your club to the community and including the media. So what do? You have your own, most of you will have your own Facebook page or your Instagram page. You will have your WhatsApp groups. You will have your websites. How do you use this to propagate what you have done. Tama club එකක් වශයෙන් කරන ඒ සේවා ව්‍යාපෘති කොහොමද අනිත් කට්ටියට කියලා දෙන්නේ. අපි ඔක්කොම කරලා නිකන් ඉඳලා වැඩක් නැහැනේ. අපේ මේ පබ්ලික් එක දැනගන්න ඕනේ මොනවාද ලයන්ස් වශයෙන් අපි කරන්නේ කියලා. අපි ඇස් කන්නාඩි විතරක් ඩිබේට් කරන එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි කරන්නේ. ඊට වඩා ගොඩාක් දේවල් කරනවා. අපි ඒ කරන ව්‍යාපෘති ඒ කරන සර්විස් එක අනිත් කට්ටියට කියන්න ඕනේ. Then also keep your members aware of your PR efforts and the results, because one thing is your members have to know what you're doing, and if you have a very good project, please make sure that you write to Lions Clubs International that there are opportunities to get it featured in the Lion magazine. Now, I was able to do that for one of the club projects carried out by my home club. We wrote to the editor and we actually featured our water project in the Lion magazine. So how do we start as the marketing communication chairperson? You have to meet with your president and your board at a planning meeting or before that. Work out what are your goals for the year. If you don't have a Facebook page, we will start a Facebook page. If you don't have Instagram, we will start it out. We will have our update our website. We will maybe look at having an article going out once a quarter or once in 6 months. If you have any budgets, look at that. Budgets are something a bit tricky, but there's a lot of media coverage you can get free of charge. Plan ahead. So look at timelines, especially to deal with the projects you have, to the stories that you have. If your club is maybe celebrating 25 years or 30 years, you know, those are stories that can go out. Then use your resources. The LCI website has a lot of information and resources for PR programs. And please discuss your plan. Then marketing communication chairperson can't just go off on a tangent and do everything by him or herself. There is a board that will approve all this, but the activities are your responsibility. So keep your club visible. Tamage club, Lions Club එක කරන දේවල් අනිත් කට්ටියට කරුණා කරලා ලැජ්ජ වෙන්නේ නැතුව කියන්න. We have to talk about what we do. Okay, next slide, please.
Fully 85% of your success in life is going to come from your ability to communicate well with other people. All successful people are excellent communicators. In fact, the work at Harvard University on multiple intelligences concluded that social intelligence, the ability to interact well with others, is the highest paid and most respected intelligence in our society. So how do you communicate more effectively with others? My favorite word in communications is the word clarity. Almost all of our problems in life become because of lack of clarity. We say things, but they don't come out clearly. So in order to be clear, first of all, stop, and then think, and then proceed slowly. Another great word is to rephrase or repeat something. Let's say you say something and somebody goes, huh? Or it's clear that they didn't get the message. I speak different languages, French, German, Spanish, and I'm busy working on learning Russian and Chinese now. And one of the things I learned in languages is if you say something in your limited language and they don't seem to understand it, rephrase it and say it again. And if they don't understand it, rephrase it and say it again until people go, ha, now I understand. So effective communication starts with you being very clear in your own mind about what you want to say, and then being very clear when you say it, and then saying it slowly and patiently, and making sure that the other person hears the message that you sent. You know, you can imagine in communications that here is you, and you want to communicate with this person. And so you send a message, almost like a message by telephone or by a carrier pigeon. You send a message into the air in the form of words. These words are then received by the other person, who then interprets the words in their own mind based on their own thoughts, feelings, whether they're paying attention, and so on, and then reformulates or formulates a response and sends the response back. You then receive the response, translate that into meaning and significance, and then you send it back. Between these two responses, there's what are called noise. Noise can be physical noise, outside, around, mechanics, trucks, and so on, but it can also be internal noise. The person can be hungry or distracted. It can be emotional noise. The person can be unhappy or excited. The person can have other noise in that they are interpreting what you say in a different way. So if you think about this, communications requires sending the message and having it received and checking, and then sending the message back and having it received and then checking, and simply going slowly. So it's better to be sure at every stage of the transaction that people are sending and receiving with tremendous clarity. And here's my favorite question of all. When somebody says something that you're not really sure about, say, how do you mean, or how do you mean exactly? And they will always expand on what they just said and make it clearer for you and easier for you to understand and to respond effectively. If you like this video, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to get new videos like this in the future. By paraphrasing,
So one thing that I used to always get feedback was the fact that I speak a bit too fast. So communication is going to be a key for us. So anyway, going through, this is actually going to be the most important part, and maybe the most important slide for this session. The coordinator and communicator holding the club together. So again, the secretary, the link between the members, potential members, and external organizations. Please understand link between members. And this is something I personally feel, if you liken the president to the father of the family, the secretary is definitely the mother, because the secretary is always the heartbeat of the club. You will always see that if you have a very strong secretary or a very active secretary, irrespective of how effective or how effective the others members of the board are, including maybe your president and vice president, you will always hold the club together, because the secretary is basically the person who's the heartbeat of the club. So the next, please. So let's take a while to understand. In a post-COVID situation, we are meeting online. We are not meeting physically. Or if we meet physically, we will just have a few people who come, and those who are still frightened to meet physically. So how do we put it together? Because this year, the key thing is to make sure that everyone, every member feels that they are still part of the club, that they are still part of this family. One of the key roles will be to make sure that our members are engaged. It can be through what, phone, whatever. Because in any case, if your members are not coming so much for meetings වලට හැමදාම members ලා එන්නේ නැත්නම් දැන් හිතන්න හැමෝම එන්න බයයි, mask දාගෙන එන්නේ, online meetings තියෙන්නේ, online වලට connect වෙන්න අමාරුයි, සමහරක් කට්ටියට connections නැහැ. ඉතින් අපි එකතු වෙලා කතා කරන්නේ නැත්නම් හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් එකට සර්ව් කරන්නේ නැත්නම් එහෙනම් ලයන්ස් ක්ලබ් එක මොකටද කියලා හිතලා අයින් වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ කට්ටියකට. So we have to understand this year the key role. We have the reports, we have the meetings, we have all that. The key role is to hold it together. And the communications chairperson can also play a very good assisting role here to the secretary, because internal communications, I don't know, weekly WhatsApp message, weekly call. So I just put a few things together. Pick up the phone and call members. This is something that people tell me as well, and I've told you. Actually, I'm a person who does not like to call people much, but we have to make an effort to do that. Organizers phone squad එක්කෙනෙක්ට හැමතිස්සම කතා කරන්න ඕනේ, ඔෆිෂල් කරන්න ඕනේ, ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට්ට කතා කරලා 4-5 දිනක් එකතු කරලා හැමෝම members ලා පහ පහ අරගෙන මාසෙකට සැරයක් නැත්නම් සති දෙකකට සැරයක් call කරන්න. වැඩියෙන්ම ඔය WhatsApp නැති කට්ටිය, Facebook නැති කට්ටියට, the older members. So ensure whatever you do, this is something past multiple council chairperson Lion Anwar always says. If you want your club to proceed, if you want to progress, make sure you meet. Then සමහර clubs කියනවා හැමෝම එන්නේ නැහැ. කට්ටිය එකතු කරන්න අමාරුයි. අපේ 10 දෙනයි ඉන්නේ 5 දෙනයි ඉන්නේ. අපි කියන්නේ 5 දෙනෙක්ගෙන් හරි පටන් ගන්න. ඒ 5 දෙනාගෙන් පටන් අරන් තව එක්කෙනෙක් දෙන්නෙක් ඕක එකතු වෙනවා. Remember the video at the beginning. It is not about intensity. It is about consistency. When you consistently have something, when you build a friendship, there is something that there is a reason for people to come. අපි ගොඩක් කට්ටිය එක්කෙනාට උදව් කරන්නේ මේ ලයන් නිසා විතරක් නෙමෙයි, ටයිටල් එක නිසා නෙමෙයි. අපි යාළුවෝ නිසා. So please make sure that your members become friends and they're all in it together. So visits to all the members, of course, you to maintain health and safety standards. I'm drawing examples from my Lions Club because that's the easiest thing for me. ගිය අවුරුද්දේ මේ අවුරුද්දේ අපිට chart එක තියන්න බැරි වුණා. ගිය අවුරුද්දේ අපි chart එකට ඒ කියන්නේ පරණ Lions ලට chart chairperson උයි අලුත් member කෙනෙකුයි ගිහිල්ලා hand deliver කරා invitations ටික. It was some members had seen them for the first time because they can't come for meetings even though they pay their dues. So keep this. And for the younger ones, you have the social media and digital platforms to stay in touch. So remember, if you forget everything else I told you in this slide, please don't forget this, because this is what's going to keep the club together. So the number one priority this year is to keep your membership together. Yes, you have a president. Yes, you have a membership chairperson. Yes, you have everybody. But as the secretary, people will come to you. It automatically happens. පොතේ තිබුණත් නැතත් secretary තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලා call කරන්නේ. So internal communication and member relations are going to be the key for the success of the club. Forget the success, for the sustenance and the growth of the club. තමාගේ Lions Club එක මේ අවුරුද්දේ කරදරයක් නැතුව ඉදිරියට යන්න නම් ඔක්කොම members ලව එකතු කරගෙන එකට ඉන්න ඕනේ. Next slide, please. So I come from a club which is now 62 years old. We have 2 to 3 generations of Lions. We have our physical meetings, we have online meetings. We are trying to have a hybrid meeting for our installation where some are going to meet and some are going to be on Zoom. But the thing is, මොනා වුණත් හැම මාසෙම කොහොම හරි 10 දෙනෙක් හරි එකතු වෙනවා. ක්ලබ් සමහරක් වෙලාවට අවුරුදු 5කින් 10කින් 15කින් නැවතිලා ඉන්නවා. මේක කොහොම හරි 62ක් ඇදලා තියෙනවා. One key thing is the meetings always happen. So please remember, a club that serves together, that meets together, plays together, you have to have fun. I am a great believer that you have to have fun. I remain in Lionism only because I enjoy it. The day I stop enjoying it, I will not be here. Then you also grow together. And believe me, you will overcome all these challenges, because ultimately club එක කියන්නේ අපේ banner එකයි මේ gong and gavel එකයි හැම වෙච්ච මේ ලාංඡන එහෙම මුකුත් නෙමෙයි. club එක කියන්නේ club එකේ ඉන්න members ලා. ඒක තමයි members ලා ගන්නකොට ඒ members ලා හොඳට හොයාලා බලලා තමයි හොඳ members ලා ගන්න ඕනේ. So you grow your club together, and when your Lions Club becomes your family will grow. So next one, please.
All of you leaving here have the potential for enormous success. There's a price that comes with that. First and foremost, knowing who you are. Knowing who you are. Being able to answer this question, who am I? And what do I want? I'm asking the bigger question of who am I? Who am I really? And what do I want? I don't want to just be successful in the world. I don't want to just make a mark or have a legacy. The answer to that question for me is I want to fulfill the highest, truest expression of myself as a human being. You must have some kind of vision for your life. Even if you don't know the plan, you have to have a direction in which you choose to go. You want to be in the driver's seat of your own life, because if you're not, life will drive you. knowing who you really are in this space and time that we embody. You must find a way to serve. Martin Luther King said that not everybody can be famous, but everybody can be great because greatness is determined by service. Now, we live in a world where everybody wants to be famous and where we admire people for just being famous. We think being known brings us value. The truth is, all of that will fade in time. In 3 years, you won't be able to name the housewives of Atlanta. The real truth is that service and significance, service and the significance that you bring to your service is that which is lasting. When you shift the paradigm of whatever it is you choose to do to service and you bring significance to that, success will, I promise you, follow you. Service and significance equals success. Here's the key: learn from every mistake, because every experience, encounter, and particularly your mistakes are there to teach you and force you into being more of who you are. And then figure out what is the next right move. What is your true calling? What is your dharma? What is your purpose? All of you leaving here have the potential for enormous success. There's a price that comes with that. People don't always like you, and they're not always happy for you. And if you surround yourself with people who are not accustomed to your success, they become fearful, they become scared, because you are reflecting back something to them that they don't recognize. People who want the best for you want you to be your best. So my greatest advice to you is to surround yourself with people who are going to fill your cup until your cup runneth over. And what I know for sure is that the biggest choices begin and end with you, your internal big questions. Who do I want to be in the world? Be excellent. People notice. Let excellence be your brand. Everybody talks about building a brand. I never even knew what that was. When people say, you're a brand, I would say, no, I'm just Oprah. What I recognize now is that my choice to, in every way, in every example, in every experience, to do the right thing and the excellent thing is what has created the brand.
So that is really the end of my presentation. But remember one thing, consistency, especially, okay, can we mute everyone, please? Tusita, we need to mute everyone.
Yeah, Kirti.
Okay, thank you. So there's a reason as to why I chose those videos. One thing is about consistency, because as the secretary, there are things we will have to do consistently, trust me, over and over again. And if you like hitting some people because they never get it right, they will not reply to you, they will not give you the details, but you have to keep doing it consistently. We have to keep doing things differently, especially this time we are in a new era, the post-COVID era. So we have to do it properly. And also the last video, everyone who's here is the potential to be the best. And when you bring in members to your club, make sure they are also on the same team, because as I said, the success of the club depends on the members, and in the new year, the success of the club will also, and the growth of the club will also depend a lot on you as a secretary. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Shiana. I hope I can be heard.
Yes, you can, Governor.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shiana. That was an excellent presentation. මම හිතන්නේ ඔක්කොටම තේරෙන්නේ නැති මේ අවුරුද්දේ ලොකු වෙනසක් වෙන්නත් තියෙනවා. ඒක අද අපි පටන් ගත්තා කියලා. ශියානා කිව්වා වගේ secretary communication chairperson තමයි club එකේ live wire එක වෙන්නේ මේ අවුරුද්දේ. විශේෂයෙන්ම 2021. ඒක හින්දා ඔයගලන්ගේ ලොකු වගකීමක් තියෙනවා. ඔයගලන්ගේ club එක එකට එක්කව කරගෙන ඉදිරියට යන්න. අනිත් එක මම හිතන්නේ ශියානා කිව්ව ඔක්කොගෙම තේරෙන්නේ නැති communications එක තමයි මේ අවුරුද්දේ විශේෂයෙන්ම තියෙන්නේ. ඒක ඒ විතරක් නෙමෙයි දිස්ත්‍රික්කේ වුණත් ඕගොල්ලොත් එක්ක තමයි කතා කරන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම. ඒ වගේම ඕගොල්ලොත් දිස්ත්‍රික්කයත් එක්කත් කතා කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ එකක්. අනිත් එක අපි අවුරුද්ද ප්ලෑන් කරනකොට secretary ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් දෙන්නව වග බලා ගන්න ඕනේ අපේ ක්ලබ් එකේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට්ස් උයි ඩිස්ට්‍රික්ට් එකේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට්ස් උයි ක්ලෑෂ් වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන එක. ඒක අපේ වගකීම. ඒක මං හිතන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් අවධානය යොමු කරොත් හොඳයි කියලා මං හිතනවා. අනිත් එක තමයි අපි විශේෂ අමුත්තෙක්ට අපේ රැස්වීමට අඬ ගැහුවාම ශියානා කිව්වා වගේ යාගේ බයෝඩේටා එක වේලහණින් ඉල්ල ගන්න ඕනේ එකක්. අනිත් එක එයාටත් එජෙන්ඩා එක අරින්න ඕනේ. ඒතර එයා දන්නවා එයා කොයි වෙලාවද කතා කරන්නේ, එයාට කොච්චර වෙලාවක් දීලා තියෙනවද. ඒ ඔක්කොම කමියුනිකේෂන්. එයාත් දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ අපෙන් එයාගෙනුත් මොන හරි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවද කියලා. ඉතින් ඒකත් මං හිතන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් අවධානය යොමු කරොත් හොඳයි කියලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මං මේ වෙලාවේ බොහොම ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා අපේ තේරිපත් වෙලා ඉන්න දෙවනි උපසිංහාධිපතිනියට. I think the ladies are showing how great we are going to be. You have a great, you're going to have a district governor, a lady, and another district governor coming, following her. So I think we ladies.
And the cabinet secretary also lady. Cabinet
Oh
secretary
yeah,
Hiroshi.
yes, of course Hiroshi, and of course all the great ladies together. I think will make this a very wonderful and a great year. Thank you very much for all the Lions to participated, and of course over to the panel for any discussions and any questions that you may have to ask. Thank you, Shiana.
Thank you.
Thank you, IPDG. I think now we have finished the first two parts of this session. Now it is the time for me to introduce the panelists for tonight. We have with us IPDG Chandani, PDG Rakogama, PDG Ganamini, Sumanasena, and PDG Parakrama Kulasurya. They are the panelists for tonight. And always DG Srilal is with us, and DG Elect, I think she's having an issue, but she is coming and attending the meeting. She's there. And also the first VDG, Governor Uma Shankar, also with us. So we'll go to the second or the third session of this training. That is, the panelists will raise you some questions, and we'll go by the Q&A, since this is not a forum where we can meet each other and do, so we have to make it somehow or other interesting. So we'll make this tool to make it interesting for the participants. Right. So Kirti, shall we raise the first question?
Can you
Yes.
stop sharing the screen?
Yeah, stop sharing the screen.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now fine.
First Paul, no?
Yeah. First Paul, first question, and our panelists will explain the answers and also give, if there are any disputes or any ideas for against, we can discuss and get into the correct answer. Right. And over to you, Kirti.
Okay, I will launch the poll. Okay, it's on.
Governor Chandani, if you want, you can tell it in Sinhala as well.
Yeah, දැන් මෙතන අපි දාලා තියෙනවා ප්‍රශ්න වර්ගයක්
The
ඔයගලන්
Lions can select the correct answer.
that's right yeah ඔයගලගේ බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ හරි කියලා හිතන උත්තරය සිලෙක්ට් කරන්න කියලා. එලා සබ්මිට් කරන්න.
අපි මෙතනින් අහන්නේ සෙක්‍රටරි කෙනෙක්ගේ රෙස්පොන්සිබිලිටි එක නොවන කාර්යය මොකක්ද කියලා.
basically මම හිතන්නේ ශාන කතා කරද්දි කිව්වා responsibilities ගණනාවක්. ඒතර ඒකෙන් හයක් මේන් හයක් list down කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒතර හයට අයිති නොවන responsibility එක මොකක්ද කියන එකයි අපි මෙතනදී අහන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ. right අපි මම හිතන්නේ තව 30 seconds වගේ දීලා මම හිතන්නේ poll 30 seconds වගේ දීලා හැමෝම attend වෙලා නම් අපි poll එකේ results එක දාමු කීපේ.
Tusita, there's many has not done anything.
yes
Yes, please. We want everybody to participate. Then only we can get an idea.
There's only 8 people out of 35 has
You have to put it again.
voted yet. Yeah.
Yes, please answer.
Yeah, you can answer.
it's on the screen
Yeah, only 11 answered, 32%. At least 50% we are expecting because we can't wait. This is a 2-hour session. Already we have come up to 1 hour. Others, they can like
Yeah, surely. Yeah.
give their views.
Only 12 up to now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Press the button, press the button.
just highlight it that's all.
Yeah.
එලා සබ්මිට් කරන්න නැතුව එන්නේ නැහැ.
Oh. I
Yeah, you
can't
can
vote.
select and send.
දැන් ඔබ ඡන්දේ දාන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න ඒක තමයි කරන්නේ.
Till now 50%, 17 people has voted, 18.
Okay.
සමහරු නැද්ද දන්නේ නම හිටියට.
Yeah, probably they have checked in and gone somewhere.
Gone අවසරයි yes.
Yeah. Sister, shall I end poll?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
yeah
Okay.
Hello.
how they
I think in this session, please keep your mics muted. Then it will be very
I
easy.
think I am the link, I think.
Okay. Shall I unmute mute all?
Yeah. So we'll give a time to talk and shall we get the results?
Yes.
Yeah, results is out now.
Yeah.
Share
are
results.
out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will share results.
Yeah. Governor Rakogama, shall we start with you?
Yes. The correct answer is C
Yes.
Yeah.
because it should be done by the president, appointing standing committees and special committees should be done by the president, not the secretary. So other areas have to be handled by the secretary.
Yes.
Any questions from the?
If you have any different views, you can raise your hand or we can go to the next question.
මේක පැහැදිලිද ඔක්කොටම?
එකක් තියෙනවා මෙතන දැන් තියෙනවා primary responsibilities කියලා organize club and board meetings, attend the meetings, prepare agendas, club records. දැන් සමහරක් මේ දේවල් prepare, keep club records, receive club correspondence ඔක්කොම secretary බාරයි. හැබැයි ඔය මේ organize the club and board meetings, prepare agendas, ඒවා you do it in conjunction with your president as well. So but it's your responsibility. ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් මේක මට ඇජෙන්ඩා එක දුන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියන්න බෑ. නැත්නම් අදුම ගානේ හදලා කියන්න ඕනේ ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් මේක තමයි මේක හරියද අපි මේක පාවිච්චි කරමුද කියලා. Because one thing is don't fall into the box of this is me and this is me only.
no
ගොඩක් teamwork තියෙනවා and especially the connection between the president and the secretary is very important. Okay. I think this is the we can go.
Yeah, we'll go to the second question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our cabinet secretary elect is also here. So if there are any
Yes.
questions, she can, Hiroshi, please jump in because you will have to deal with everyone.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Question number 2, Kirti.
Yeah.
Right. This is the first one. This is the
Okay.
question number 1. Still the first one.
Okay. Two.
Right, second
Okay.
one. Yeah.
Started. You can vote for that.
Yeah. So the question says the club secretary attends various type of meetings. Select the most appropriate statement from the below. So as Shana shared, there are different type of meetings that the club secretary attends. So what is the best statement supporting for this from the 5 or 6 things that given down? So please make it fast. We want more active participation, so then we can progress little faster.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe කියලා ගහන්න. Button එක.
Yeah.
Done and
Do we
done.
have Governor Ganamini here?
Yes, yes, he's there.
Yeah, Governor Ganami is there.
And Governor Parakram also there, right?
Governor Parakram, I
Parakram
didn't
is
see
not there.
him.
No, he's
No, he's not.
Right. So we'll give maximum another 30 seconds.
Yeah.
මෙතනට ප්‍රයිස් එකක් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් මේ ඉක්මනට බොතම ඔබලා ආන්සර් කරන්න.
වැරදුරට කමක් නැහැ.
ඔව්. අපි කවුරුත් දන්නේ කවුද වැරදි කරේ කියලා.
ඔව්.
I can check for you if you want.
හරි ආන්සර් කරන්න.
Yeah, it's important that everyone answer. It's interesting. I think only the co-host cannot, co-host and the
Answer.
host cannot answer. All others
Answer,
can
yeah.
answer.
Can answer, yes.
There is one thing, there is a thing called the secretary's e-book. And Tusita would have shared it in the
We
chat
have
box.
shared that.
Right? ඒක ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඕකේ ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවා. දැන් ළඟදී මේ ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එක වෙනකම් මමත් ඔක කියවලා තිබුණේ නැහැ. හැබැයි ඒව ගොඩක් දේවල් කියවලා දැනගන්න පුළුවන් because most of us do our work based on what we have seen and our normal experience through work and things like that. So but there are also very specific things you can learn. You can read it for further information or just call Tusita because he has by hearted everything.
We have uploaded that to our district website also.
Yes.
Yes,
I will
yes.
just
We
put
have
the
a good
link.
knowledge site there.
I'll put the website link also up.
Yeah, 24 people has already voted.
Yeah. We'll go for the answer.
Yeah. I will share results.
Good.
It's like this, all above 71%. Then as needed, special meetings of the club or board and so on, and the district events 13%. Quarterly zone meetings 8%. The other one is 0%. Monthly, weekly general membership meeting, board meeting, club meeting, 25% has voted for that.
Right. Governor Ganamini, can we get your input?
Yeah. Now as secretary, we all should understand that we have some responsibilities, mainly the things that have been listed out here: monthly, weekly, general membership meeting, board meeting, club meeting. That is obvious that you as the secretary have to be there. At the transition meeting, I don't know, everybody has understood this officer transition meeting. It is the insulation meeting, I suppose, at the end of the year, and district convention meetings. That is all know. Quarterly zone meeting, that is everyone knows the district governors advisory committee meetings. As needed, special meeting. That is again the club meeting or the district meetings, special meetings. For all that, you have to participate as the secretary of the club. So the correct answer is all above, that is E. So I think about 71% has answered that question correctly. So we all must understand that as secretaries, we have to, take part in all these meetings. Thank you.
Tushita, something wrong with the question. When you say most
Yes, Governor.
you can't say multiple choice. Okay.
Sorry, Governor.
Should be one answer. You say most
Yeah.
appropriate statement from below. then you should not put multiple choice.
This is something coming from the system, not that we have put, because there are two types of questions you can raise in this Zoom.
The answer is all about E.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
So here, Governor, more people have voted for that. But in the meantime, if someone gives a wrong answer, that also can be tracked here. That's the idea here.
Yeah, that is, I think, the chairperson now. Actually, some of our secretaries, they have not really, understand this. Otherwise, I don't think that they think 25% has voted for only monthly and weekly general meeting. That is, they think that they have to attend only for the club affairs.
Yes.
It's not the case. The secretaries have to, as a key member of the club, he has to attend the district affairs as well. So, this is the thing that it has to go to the minds of the secretaries. Secretaries හැටියට අපි දැනගන්න ඕනේ අපි club එක පමණක් නෙවෙයි අපි district එකේ තියෙන ඒ වැදගත් රැස්වීම් හැම දෙයකටම අපි සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ සම්බන්ධ වෙලා අපි අපේ club එක අපි නියෝජනය කරන්න ඕනේ. Secretary තමයි අපේ key officer කෙනෙක් ඉන්නේ අපේ club එකේ together with the president. So president and secretary have to take that responsibility. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Governor. මේ සමහරක් වෙලාවට ක්ලබ් එකෙන් කිව්වේ ඔය ටිකට ආවම ඇති කියලාත් දන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද අපි දාද්දිත් අපිට කිව්වෙත් එහෙමයි. ක්ලබ් එකේ මීටින් එකට ඇවිල්ලා ගත්තා නම් හරි ඉතුරු ටික අපි බලා ගන්නම් කියලා. එහෙමත් දන්නේ කිව්වේ.
Okay. It is very important at the time of the installation, the new office bearers, a proper induction must be given. Installation must be given. Must spell out their duties and responsibilities very correctly.
Yeah, I think Palita want to ask a question. Can we unmute Palita?
Palita, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Palita.
Palita is Yasaratna, neda?
Right. Okay. Okay. We'll go to the third question. If we come again, we'll cater to his question. Right. Shakirti, we'll go to the third question.
Okay, I will launch.
Right.
Okay, it's on now.
Which of the following is not a duty of a secretary during the meeting? So you have to understand the question. Secretary has a lot of things to be done before meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting. So you have to understand that now we'll be sharing a document in your chat box. You can go through that. That will show all the answers to these questions as well as where we have taken these. So this is a LCI document. At the end of this session, we'll explain how to go there and to do it yourself. So we are asking what is not a duty. Meeting පවත්වන වෙලාවේදී secretary ගේ කාර්යභාරයක් නොවන්නේ කුමක්ද? Right. Please go ahead.
එහෙනම් පොඩ්ඩක් ඒක හදන්න. පොඩ්ඩක් හරවන්න.
Kirti, within 2 minutes, we'll give the results. Because
2 minutes also too much, no?
Too much, but still,
from next one, shall we go cut down to 1 minute?
Yeah.
Right. That's good.
Quickly. Yes. So when it is launched, you can start voting. You know.
Start voting. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. For this one, 2 minutes, we'll cut it off.
Yeah.
Already 14 people has voted. 15.
Yes. At least 50% we are getting.
Yeah. 16, 17. When he announced, there is a little bit of this.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the answer.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yes, Governor Chandani.
I can share the results. No need to read again, no? Yeah.
No need to read. Yeah, we
Yeah,
have
you
shared.
can see
Governor
the
Chandani,
results.
are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, she's
Yeah, Governor Chandani, can you give your input to this
Now,
question,
from the
answer?
result, it is 26% gathering activity information committee chairpersons and asking. No, I think what you don't have to do is distribute meeting notices and meeting agenda. That is what you do before and during the meeting, because we are asking what the secretary should not be doing during the meeting. So all the other activities is part of the meeting, but other than distributing meeting notices and meeting agenda, which should be done at the beginning, and if not, somebody has to be assigned for it. Well, ask
Thank you.
to fill out appropriate forms, generally not during a meeting, because you're wasting time, everybody's time, I should say. And also committee chairperson, those things have to be done before the meeting. So I think මේක මං හිතන්නේ ටිකක් අවධානය යොමු කර යුතු දෙයක් කියලා මට හිතෙනවා දැන් තියෙන මේ පෝලිං එකේ රිසල්ට් එකෙන්. ගවර්නර් රැකෝ මොකද කියන්නේ?
ඇත්ත මොකද ඒකේ දැන් distributing meeting notices and meeting agenda කිව්වම ඇත්තටම ඒක it won't serve the purpose. meeting එක මැදදී meeting notices දුන්නා කියලා ඒකේ පළක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ එකක් කාරණයක්. අනික meeting agenda එක කලින් දැනුම් දෙන්න ඕන. ඔය දෙකම කලින් දැනුම් දෙන්න එක secretary වගකීමක්. ඒ වෙලාවට අවිල ඔක share කරන එක තේරුමක් නැහැ. ඒක තමයි මම හිතන්නේ මූලික දේ මෙතන. අදහස අරන් තියෙන්නේ.
මම දැන් ෂෙයා කරා එකේ මේ chat box එකේ තියෙන උත්තර ටිකත්. ඒතකොට so before meeting they have given a few things to do, and the during meeting these are the duties they have assigned, and also the after the meeting they want secretary to attend on these duties. So the answer would be like distributing the meeting notice and agendas during the meeting. We have discussed this at the president's one as well. Nishanta told very clearly how Morator is operating. They send agendas well in hand and everything. So Shayana also highlighted the same thing. So it is very clear during the meeting, if somebody don't get it or some reason, you can do it, but or you can leave it at the table, but not the duty to do it during the meeting. Yes, Shayana, anything to add?
No, this should be fine because this may
but our secretaries must be clearly informed that it is the duty of the secretary to have this meeting notices and the meeting agenda. But here the question is not to do during the meeting. While the meeting is going on. The preparation of the notice and the agenda is a duty of the secretary. ඉතින් මේක සෙක්‍රටරියට තේරුම් කරවන්න ඕන නැත්නම් මේකෙන් එයා හිතයි යාට මේක එයාගේ වගකීමක් නෙවෙයි කියලා. ඒක සෙක්‍රටරිගේ වගකීමක්. ඒක සෙක්‍රටරිගේ වගකීමක් මේක හැබැයි මීටින් එක වෙලාවේ කළ යුතු නැහැ. මොකද මීටින් එක ඩිස්ටර්බ් වෙන නිසා. ඒකයි ඒකේ තේරුම.
Right. Thank you, Governor. Right, Kirti, fourth next question.
Yeah.
Question number 4.
Okay.
So the club member must be informed of nominating meeting and election meetings at least 14 days in advance. මේක ඔව්ද නැද්ද කියලා අහන්නේ nomination meeting එකකුයි election meeting එකයි පිළිබඳව දවස් 14කට කලින්වත් අඩුම වශයෙන් දැනුම් දිය යුතුයි කියන එක. මේකට අපි උත්තරේ ගද්දි මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා submitting PU 101 එක පිළිබඳවත් එක උත්තර දෙයි කියලා ගවර්නර් රැකෝගම අපි මේකට උත්තර එනකන් ඉස්සලා බලමු. ඊට පස්සේ මේකේ important ministry එක මම හිතන්නේ ඊයේ අපි presidents meeting එකේදී මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ වෙන විදියකට අපි ආපු වෙලාවේ ගවන අන්විතා හොඳින් අපිට උත්තර දුන්නා. ගවන රැකවගම අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් ඒක මේකේ උත්තරෙත් එක්ක කතා කරද්දි කියන්න PU 101 එක සබ්මිට් කිරීම සම්බන්ධෙනුත් මේ දින 14 දීම අවශ්‍යද නැද්ද කියන එක උද නැද්ද කියන එක පිළිබඳව එන උත්තරෙත් අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් discuss කරමු.
5 seconds and I will end the poll.
Yeah, okay.
ඇත්තටම මේ ක්ලබ් සෙක්‍රටරි කෙනෙක් වුණාම උත්තරය මම හිතන්නේ yes කියන එක තමයි. ක්ලබ් සෙක්‍රටරිගේ වගකීමක් තමයි ක්ලබ් කන්ස්ටිටියුෂන් එක ගැන යම් කිසි ආબોධයක් තියෙන්න ඕන. එතන ක්ලබ් කන්ස්ටිටියුෂන් එකේ මෙම්බර්ස් අතර දෙන්න. ඒතකොට මේ 14 days in advance මේ notice දෙන එක ඒ කන්ස්ටිටියුෂන් එකේ තියෙන ක්ලබ් කන්ස්ටිටියුෂන් එකේ ඒක දින 14 කියන එක හරි. PU 101 ෆෝම් එකේ කියන්නේ නව නිලධාරීන් පත් කරන එක මේ ඒකට තියෙනවා මේ දින කාල සීමාවක් තියලා මට මතක හැටියට තුසිත පොඩ්ඩක් ඒක එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරොත් මට හරියට දිනේ මතක නැහැ.
ඒක අප්‍රේල් මාසේ ඇතුළත යවන්න ඕන කියන ශාන you are the best you can explain.
ඒක යවන්න ඕන.
the 10th of April.
ඒක මම හිතන්නේ උපදේශ මාලාව එනවා මේ ඩිරෙක්ටර්ත් එක්ක that is
ඉස්සර නම් තිබුණේ 30th April මම හිතන්නේ දැන් ඒක ඉස්සරහට ගෙනල්ලා මොකද ඉලෙක්ට්‍රොනිකලි යන්නේ
10th of April හැටියට තමයි යන්නේ PU 101 එක my ACI එකේ අප්ඩේට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි සමහර කට්ටියට ওই පාස්වර්ඩ් වල ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන නිසා PDF format එකක් තියෙනවා 2020-2021 club officers ලාව report කරන්න පුළුවන් එක. You can type it on that itself, save it and send it to membership@lionsclub.org. කාට හරි ඒක අවශ්‍ය නම් මට කියන්න I will email it to you because ඒ officers ලට තමයි ඒ අවුරුද්ද පුරාම international වලින් emails එන්නේ. Email all the then district එකට අවශ්‍ය දැන් ඉරෝෂිට ගවර්නර් අමිතට definitely ඔක්කොම club officers like contact details අවශ්‍යයි. හැබැයි ඊට අමතරව Lions Club International sends us direct communication to presidents, secretaries, whoever the officers are depending on the topic. So it's only those who are updated with correct email address who will get these things.
Yeah,
So
thank you, Shana. You know,
To add something, something to say
Yes, Governor.
සාමාන්‍යයෙන් club එකක් nominating election committee එකක් nominating committee එකක් appoint කරන්න ඕනේ during the month of March.
March.
ඒ nominating committee එකේ decision
February
එක
nominating.
ඒ committee එකේ decision එක club එකේ general membership එකට දාන්න ඕනේ in the month of April. Their general membership එකේ meeting එකට දාලා ඒක ratify කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ ratify කරාට පස්සේ තමයි PU 101 එකට අරින්න පුළුවන්. PU 101 එක as Chana someone said 10th April තමයි තියෙන්නේ LCI එකේ date එක. නමුත් during the month of April at least we will have to send this. We will have to submit the PU 101. ඒක කරන්නේ නැහැ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට clubs වලින්. So secretary's responsibility ඒක secretaries has to keep in their mind that this is the procedure the month you have to appoint the nominating committee. The April it has to be ratified by the club and then to report to the SCI during that same month.
Thank you, Governor.
Practice එකක් වැඩි
තියෙනවා මේ නිලධාරීන් පත් කරාම පස්සේ වුණත් ඒක මාරු කරන්න පුළුවන්.
පාර කරන්න පුළුවන්.
yes
ඒක සමහරව දන්නේ නැහැ.
Thank you, Governor. Hiroshi, අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද අපේ clubs දැන්ට තත්ත්වය කොහොමද? කොච්චරක් එවලා තියෙනවද? තව එන්න තියෙනවද? Hiroshi, you are there?
Yes, she is there. I will unmute her.
Yeah, Hiroshi.
Hiroshi, you can speak.
Yeah. Tusita, hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Hiroshi. Yes. Yes.
Tusita, දැන් අද මම අපි ඩිරෙක්ටරි එකට ඉන්ෆෝමේෂන්ස් ගන්නකොට අද මම හැම ක්ලබ් එකකටම කතරගම to කොළඹ හැම ක්ලබ් එකකටම කතා කරලා ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට්යි සෙක්‍රටරිටයි ඒගොල්ලෝ ආන්සර් නොකරොත් මම දැන් උදාහරණයක් ගත්තොත් අපේ ගමන චාන්දට මම කතා කරා ඒ ක්ලබ් එකේ ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් ආන්සර් කරේ නැති හින්දා මම 1 by 1 චෙක් කරා මොකද PU101 යවලා තියෙනේම ඒ කියන්නේ ගිය අවුරුද්දේ අතර මේවල තාම තියෙන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ චේන්ජ් කරලා නැහැ ඉතින් මම එහෙම කරන්නේ නැතුව අපි සමහරු කරනවා දාන්න especially අර මේ password නෑ ඒගොල්ලන්ට සමහරුන්ට කතරගම ඔය මාතර මිලේනියම් ලේඩිස් වගේ ක්ලබ්ස් වලට ඒගොල්ලෝ නැහැ කියලා කිව්වා. ඉතින් අර පොඩ්ඩක් ඒ වගේ බලලා මේ අපිට කරගන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඊළඟ ලේසි ඇත්තටම.
රෝෂි අපිට මෙහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඕක ගිය අවුරුද්දෙත් වුණා. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ අවුරුද්දෙත් වුණා. What we did was හරි MyLCI එක දාන්න බැරි කට්ටියට අර ෆෝම් එක දීලා ඒ ෆෝම් එක පුරවලා ඊමේල් කරා.
That's right.
හැබැයි සමහර clubs they are continuing their people. Some clubs are continuing the same.
But they are not responding. But they are not responding. They say that I didn't get emails and all. So I WhatsApp that application also. Format.
One thing is, secretaries, you all will get a lot of communication, so please don't say you haven't got it because we know it has gone. The easiest thing is to say the email hasn't gone.
I think someone has to follow this one. Some clubs, as far as I know, one person, just did long time back when they are starting the club was down the line 1 or 2 years later. Some people don't know even who has the password. It has never been continued from person to person. So that is something bad. Then, that also has to be updated that the right person should have the right password and, then do the communication. That's, I think, something important that we have to educate all the club members on that.
Kusita, what we have to do is, එකක් තියෙනවා මම සමහර clubs වලට කිව්වා ඔය password එක තියෙන්නේ clubs වලට නෙමෙයි. ඔය password එක තියෙන්නේ individual members ලට. Each time we are reported as members, we get our individual membership number. ඔය membership number එකත් එක්ක තමයි ඔක්කොම අපේ name, address, නම, ගම කියමු ඔක්කොම තියෙන්නේ. It also has our email address. MyLCI එකේ password එක හදන්න වෙන කාටවත් හදන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. තමාගේ club membership number එක තියාගෙන email address එක තියාගෙන ඕක ගිහලා අලුත් member කෙනෙක්ට login වෙන්න පුළුවන්. If we are not very computer savvy, your son or daughter or granddaughter, somebody can help you. හැබැයි club එකට නෙමෙයි password එක තියෙන්නේ. password එක තියෙන්නේ individual member ට. ඉතින් මම අලුතෙන් secretary හැටියට එනවා නම් මම login වුණාම ඒක PO1 වලට ගිහිලා තියෙනවා නම් ඒ secretary ට තියෙන access ඔක්කොමට හම්බ වෙනවා.
I think, Shana, just to share with you, some people don't know their own membership number also, to tell you frankly.
That is right.
Yeah, but the directory has the number.
I think, it's there, but only thing is some people don't know. But when I was the cabinet secretary, I have found the numbers of that particular, for many people, I think you would have done it.
Yes.
So therefore, I think, when you start the year, if you send it to the president, secretary, treasurer, at least a mail with that entire club, the club number, the membership numbers, all that, I think that will be useful. Then they can share with others and, then at least they can update themselves.
This year, the membership numbers are given in the directory.
Directory.
Yeah.
It's all there in the directory itself.
Yeah.
Important
thing is, at any point of time, if you have created a password that is for life, please remember that. That cannot change just because you become a governor or anybody. Whatever you the original password you did as any club officer remains in LCI for life. So you have to remember that. That is the most important thing.
Correct.
It does not change if you change your officers or.
So this question, the last chance, we'll give it to Governor Ganamini, and then we'll go to the next question. Yes, Governor Ganamini.
Tusita, now the club president and the secretary only can change the names or membership or whatever the LCI. Other members also can have their own passwords for them to go through the LCI websites, MyLCI and all that, and get other information. But to handle the membership, only the president and secretary. This PU101 has to be sent by the current secretary, because these officers have been appointed by the sitting board of directors. So the secretary's duty is to report the new members for the coming year and then finish off his year. So the new secretary gets her or his password only after reporting as a secretary from this year. So as a secretary, he gets his password only after the reporting. So the reporting has to be done by the current secretary. So කවුද හිරෝෂි කිව්වා කතරගම password එක නැහැ කියලා කතරගම secretary ගේ password එක තියෙනවා. එයා කට්ටිය අද වෙනකල් මේ reporting කළා. ඒ දැන් ඉන්න එක්කෙනාට කතා කරන්න අර මෙයා කවුද මේ සෝල් chairperson අර මේ lady මට මතක නැහැ නම. විනෝදිනී report කරා මේක. විනෝදිනීට කියන්නේ report කරන්න.
Okay. Right. So I have shared the PU 101 form for 2020-2021 into the chat box. Passwords නැත්නම් ඒ file එක download කරලා ඒ file එක save කරලා යවන්න international වලට. Then
right.
Okay, we can go on.
Okay, please. We'll thank you everyone. So we'll go to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5.
How many questions do we have?
We have 12, I think. Question number 5. Kirti, we are still on question number 4. Yeah, right. Thank you.
Okay, start.
Right. Taking minutes of the meeting is another responsibility of secretary. Which of the following is not a typical information to record?
ඒ කියන්නේ මොනවද record කරන්නේ නැත්තේ minutes වල? Minutes වල මොනවද record කරන්නේ නැත්තේ?
Right. We have started.
Very slow.
Right. තාම එක්කෙනයි අපි ඉක්මන් කරමු. So 36 seconds gone.
It's like members are sleepy. Yeah,
we'll give little additional 20 seconds or 30 seconds because there are a lot of things to read now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, yes.
Yeah. Okay, 1.5 then.
Yes, 1.5, please.
I can't see everybody because of the screen on my screen.
You're a co-host.
You're a co-host. Shall I remove from co-host? Do you want to vote?
No.
Okay. You're scared.
You can place it now.
Yes. That's why I know you don't want to answer.
Right,
because I never read the book.
Okay, we go to the answers.
Yeah. I will end the poll. Okay, this is results.
Yeah. Okay, these are the results. Shall we start from Governor Rekogama?
Yes. ඇත්තම එක බොහොම පැහැදිලි මේ සරල කාරණයක්. මේ ගත්තාම මේ සියලු දේම secretary රාජකාරී නමුත් මේ personal observations or judgment comments මෙතන අදාළ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා ඒවා රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න සුදුසු නැහැ. secretary ඇත්තම බොහොම පැහැදිලි එක. දැන් මේ අනිත් වැඩගත් දේවල් මිනිස් වල මේ රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න ඕනේ. name of person presiding over meeting කියන්නේ ඒකනේ. meeting the president so and so come in the meeting. ළඟට meetings approve කරාද? ඒක අවශ්‍ය දෙයක්. A motion carries or is lost, that will record all points of order and appeal and whether they were sustained, lost. ඒවා වාර්තා කළ යුතුයි. Time the meeting was called to order and adjourned. ඒවා වැදගත්. The personal observations කියනවා. Judgmental comments දාන්නේ නැහැ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි වාර්තාවල. මම හිතන්නේ එච්චර complicated question එකක් නෙමෙයි.
Very straightforward ගවන කිව්වා වගේ මම textbooks මේ answers තියෙනවා. මම answers ඒ කියන්නේ record කළ යුතු මීට අමතරව තියෙන දේවලුත් එක්කම සම්පූර්ණ උත්තරේ මම chat box එකට share කරා. අපිට තව අපි ඊළඟ question එකට යනවාද? කාට හරි මේකට තව අදහස් දක්වන්න තියෙනවද?
ඒක තේරෙනවා වගේ නෙනේ. අපි
ඔව් තේරෙනවා වගේ. right. අපි ඔව් කාලය ඉතුරු කරගන්න අපි ඊළඟ question එකට යමු. Question number 6. question number 6, please.
Okay. Okay, this is yes or no one, quite easy.
Yeah. Yes. Minutes are meant to record what the club does and not what members say during the meeting. Therefore, any debates or discussions is considered informal and not recorded. Is the above statement correct? මේක මම හිතන්නේ විස්තර කිරීම අවශ්‍ය නැ ගාන චාන්දනී ප්‍රශ්න පොඩ්ඩක් විස්තර කරනවා නම් සිංහලෙන්
මං හිතන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා අහපු ප්‍රශ්නෙම තව වෙන විදිහකට මෙතන අහන්නේ ඒක මේ කල හරියටම නොකිය යුත්තේ මොකක්ද කියන එකයි මෙතන අහන්නේ. ඉතින් මං හිතන්නේ ඒක තේරුම් යන්න ඇති. මොකද අපිට ඉස්සෙල්ලා හම්බෙච්ච උත්තර වලින් ඒක මොකක්ද අපි කල යුත්තේ නොකල යුත්තේ කියන එක එතනින්ම ආන්සර් එකෙන් එනවා.
Okay, right. Right. අපි උත්තරයට යන්න.
Is 45-55%. 45%, 55%. 9 and 11.
මේක මම හිතන්නේ සමහරකට අපි තේරුම් ගැනීමේ ප්‍රශ්නයක්ද කියන එක. ඔව් කියන එකයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. මොකද හැබැයි අපි කැබිනට් මීටින් වල නම් ගොඩක් අහලා තියෙනවා මං කියපු ටික නෑ කියන කතාව මිනිත්ස් වල. නමුත් මෙතනදී ඇත්තටම මම හිතන්නේ හොඳයි අපිට ගාන මිනිට පුළුවන් ද ඉදිරිපත් වෙන්න මේ ගැන විස්තර කරන්න.
මේක අදහස් කරන්නේ
මම ගාන ගණමිනේ අන්මියුට් කරන්න ඕන.
අර මම
ඕකේ ගාන.
කතා ගන්නවා. කතා
මේක වෙලා තියෙන්නේ debate or discussions need not to be word to word recorded in the minutes. But if a member has a different opinion on something, that has to be reported. Now, if the club is coming out with something, but I am opposing, I have a different view, and I mean, that has to be categorically stated in the minutes. That so and so has opposed that. It has to be in the records. It has to be minuted. Maybe by majority vote, it's passed through or carried forward. But if I objected, that has to be recorded. So if we say that personal things need not to be mentioned, it can be වැරදියට තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Important දේ කතා කරන්න නිකාර gossip ලියන්නේ නැතුව කතා කරපු වචන කොහොමද ලියන්න ඕනේ. But මොනවාද අපි ඩිස්කස් කරේ ඒකේ තීරණය මොකද්ද කියන එක කියන්න ඕනේ. ඒ තීරණය ගන්නකොට ඒක යුනැනිමස්ද නැත්නම් ඒකේ ඩිවිෂන් එකක් තිබුණාද කියන එක රෙකෝඩ් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒකයි මට
ගානමිනී කවුරු හරි ස්පෙસિෆිකලි රික්වෙස්ට් කරොත් පමණයි මම හිතන්නේ මගේ ඔබ්ජෙක්ෂන් එක රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න කිව්වොත් තමයි රෙකෝඩ් කරන්නේ. නැත්නම් අපි we must respect the idea
majority. Yes.
Majority.
Yeah, that is the decision. You can carry the majority vote. But if I object, I should be able to tell at that time I objected this.
You have requested.
Even though this question you have to.
Yeah, yes, Gavan, you can talk.
Unmute him.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm sorry, I must disagree with Governor Ganamini because there is something called collective responsibility. When we discuss something, everyone will never agree. Only donkeys agree on everything. So even somebody who disagrees, we don't record it. If so, we record the decision of the majority. So I think if we start recording the dissents, will cause more disharmony in the club. That's my opinion.
I think Governor Racco said correctly, if someone wants against something and if he insists that it has to be recorded, I think that's to be recorded.
Shall we go to the other question?
Okay, Shana, you want to tell anything? Hiroshi?
No, we can go to the next question.
Okay, we'll go to the next question. Thank you very much. We'll go to the next question.
Okay, you can start voting.
Yes. which of the following are club files kept by the secretary? Okay, good response. 23 answered. We can close the poll. Right. Governor Chandani?
Right. Well, I think they have understood the fact that 88% have said all above. So I think the question is answered, understood, and also they know what they have to maintain as a secretary. So I think, shall we go on to the next one? Because
Yes, I have shared. There are a few files because we are going with the poll. I can give few information in the question, but I'm sharing the other information, other files, and you have to keep with you in the chat box. You can refer, and finally at the end of the session, we'll share the entire document so you can download it if you want. And all these things are there in our district knowledge center. Kirti has uploaded everything. You can go there and check as well. Shall we go to the next question? Question number 8.
Okay.
Who maintains general records of the club receipts and disbursements? Making අපි අහන්නේ කාගේද වගකීම කියන එක. මෙතනදී මේ වගකීම අපි අහන්න එක හේතුවක් තියෙනවා. මොකද මේ දැන් අපි අර ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් සෙක්‍රටරි ට්‍රෙෂරර් ඉන්න කාලේ අපේ ක්ලබ් ස්ට්‍රක්චර් එකේ හරි පැහැදිලි ඉරක් ගහලා වෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන් තැන් තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේ ඒවා දිගටම තියෙනවා. නමුත් අලුතෙන් හඳුන්වලා දීපු පෝස්ට් පහත් එක්ක LCI coordinator, GLD coordinator, membership chairperson එතකොටත් හිටියා. නමුත් membership chairperson, service chairperson, marketing communication chairperson එක්ක අර responsibilities පොඩ්ඩක් බෙදිලා ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් අපිට emphasize කරන්න තමයි මේ who do what කියන questions ටික අපි යන්නේ. Yeah, 22 has answered. We shall go to the answer.
Yeah.
Governor panelists, all panelists are there. Governor Rakogama, you can add.
Governor, you have to unmute.
unmute. Governor, unmute.
You can unmute yourself. Okay.
yes. Treasurer තමයි club එකේ මේ receipt payments record කරන්න ඕන. Treasurer ගේ තමයි ප්‍රධාන වගකීම. ඒ නිසා ඒක බොහොම පැහැදිලි. President, secretary ගේ වගකීමක් නෙවෙයි අත්‍තරම. තවත් එකක් තේරුම් ගන්න මොකද ඇක්ටිවිටිස් තියෙනවා ටීම් වර්ක් එකක් තියෙනවා ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් සෙක්‍රටරි ඕලු කරන්න ඕන. ට්‍රෙෂරර් ගේ තමයි මූලික වගකීම.
And generally මේවා මේ board meeting minutes වල minute වෙනවා. I think ඔය minute treasurer ඔය දේවල් මේ report කරනකොට secretary මේ payments, disbursements, මේ approvals of payment ඔක්කොම board meeting minutes වල minute කරන්න අවශ්‍යයි.
Is anyone else want to comment on this? Or shall we go to the next question?
Okay.
Go to the next one.
Yes, we'll go to the next one.
Okay, you can vote now.
Right. MyLCI is a web-based reporting tool used by many Lions clubs around the world. There are many benefits by using this MyLCI. These benefits include, what are the benefits you think this MyLCI will give? I think Shana has gone through in detail on this section, so I don't have to explain much. So please go ahead. What are the things you think? What are the benefits that we get through MyLCI?
Shall we end?
We'll give about another 10 seconds. Yes, we can end. Shana, can I refer this to you? Shana?
Yeah, I'm here. Sadly, there's something went wrong with my laptop.
Alright.
So what can we do with MyLCI? Submit monthly membership and officer reporting form. Then අපි again කතා කරා මේව ඔක්කොම අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන්. MyLCI. So definitely, but one thing is online learning opportunities නම් ඒකේ නෑ නේද උස්තා?
ඒක තියෙනවා. දැන් අලුතෙන් ඇඩ් කරලා තියෙනවා MyLCI එකට learning opportunities උත් MyLCI එකේ පස්වෙනි column එක මම මේකෙන් දැන් ඇත්තටම මට පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන් online බලමු මේ අතරතුරදී පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා. Yeah. So you can go to My Learning. Earlier the Lions Learning Center was in some other place, but now it is there, incorporated to MyLCI. Okay, so then the answer would be all. We'll go to the next question. Yes, all the above.
Shall I stop sharing this?
Yes.
You
We'll
want
go
to
to the
share
next
something?
question.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Next question, please.
But are you going to share something?
No. There's a file. We'll share it on the chat box.
Okay.
We'll share it in the chat box. We can go to the next question.
Okay. Yeah, it's up now. You can answer.
Okay, question number 10. Service as the Global Action Team Chairperson. Who will work or service as the Global Action Team Chairperson? Get chairman.
The club.
Club get chairman, yes.
Global Action Team can all three.
Yes.
That's good. Very good. Haircut is good, huh? Huh?
Shall I end the poll?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Results like this.
Yeah. අපි දන්නවා මේ GATT කියන එක අලුතෙන් හඳුන්වලා දීලා තියෙනවා අපිට මේ GATT කියන Global Action Team කියන එක මේකේ ඉන්නවා Global Action Team එකේ chairman කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා ඒක ඇතුලේ ඉන්නවා GLT coordinator, GST coordinator, GMT coordinator. ඒතර service, membership and leadership. ඔය තුනමත් එක්ක තමයි යන්නේ. මේකේ basic layer එක තියෙන්නේ club එකේ. club එකට යනවා, ඒක district එකට එනවා, multiple එකට එනවා. ඒ විදිහට දිගටම LCI එකට වෙනකම්ම තියෙනවා මේ structure එක, GATT structure එක. ඒකේ chairman, club එකේ chairman කවුද කියනයි අපි මේ ප්‍රශ්නේදී අහන්නේ. අපිට උත්තරයක් ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? අපිට ගවන අන්ව ඉන්නවා, ගවන අන්ව?
Unmute.
Wait, I'll unmute you. Gavana, you can unmute.
Yeah. Okay, I believe then that is the responsibility of the president.
That's right, yes.
That's
Yeah,
right.
because he handles all the things. But I think this is a new concept that needs to be explained to the presidents, the entire club, because most people think it's the responsibility of the service chairperson. So that needs to get clarified and explained over several meetings, I think. Thank you.
Here also more people has voted for service chairperson,
That's right. Yes,
42%.
but I think they have got misled with the services as club action, global
It should
action.
be serves as.
Serve as, not services. Yes.
Correct.
Serves as.
But now GATT has been in operation for the last 2 years. So by now they should know.
Go to the next one.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start voting.
Question number 11. We discussed this as well, the District Governors Advisory Committee. What are the benefits?
District
If you
Governors
go-
Advisory Committee එකට zone meeting කියලාත් කියනවා.
zone meeting කියලාත් කියනවා. අපිට පුරුදු zone meeting කියලා. ඒකට zone meeting එකට යන එකේ තියෙන benefits මොනවාද කියන එක තමයි අපි මෙතනදී සාකච්ඡා කරන්නේ.
Shall I end?
Yes,
Shall I
please.
end the poll, Tushita?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay.
Right.
Read
Governor
the result.
Chandani.
These are the results.
At least
Yes.
ඔකොටම තේරලා තියෙනවා මොකක්ද තියෙන ඉම්පෝටන්ස් එක කියලා. මං හිතන්නේ මොකද මේ අවුරුද්දේ විශේෂයෙන්ම හුඟක් අයට තමන්ගේ සිංහ සමාජවල තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න නිරාකරණය කරගන්නත් අනිත් එක දැන් අපි සිංහ සමාජ වැඩි හම්බ වෙන්න කාලයක් හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැති හින්දාත් මං හිතන්නේ මේ zone meetings virtual hari නැතුව hari තියෙනවා නම් ඒවට අනේක මං හිතන්නේ හුඟක් ප්‍රයෝජනවත් වෙනවා විශේෂයෙන්ම තමන්ගේ සිංහ සමාජයේ මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් ඒවා निराකරණය කරගන්නත් අන්තික විශේෂයෙන්ම අනිත් සිංහයන්ව දැන ඇඳින ගන්න හම්බ වෙන එකත් මං හිතන්නේ මේ අවස්ථාවේ හුඟක් වටිනවා කියලා. ඉතින් ඒකින්ද ඒකට ඒ මීටිං අන්තික zone chairman උත් මේ මීටිං 3-4 හරියට තියලා ඒක කරනවා නම් මං හිතන්නේ තමන්ගේ zone එකට ලොකු ප්‍රයෝජනයක් වෙනවා. මොකද එතන ඒ වැඩේ හරියට වුණ නැත්නම් clubs වලට ඒකේ වගකීම තියෙන එකත් මොකද ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් opportunity එකක් එන්නේ නැහැ අනිත් අයව හම්බ වෙන්න ඒ zone meetings තිබ්බේ නැත්නම්. ඒකින්ද සහභාගී වීමත් මීටිම තිබීමත් දෙකොල්ලොන්ගෙම වගකීමක් වගේ තමයි මේ වෙලාවේ කියන්න පුළුවන්.
Okay. Governor Ganamini, do you want to add anything to that?
මේ GATT එක global action team එකට දැන් LCI එකේ එච්චර ප්‍රොමිනන්ස් එකක් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද අපේ දැන් ක්ලබ් එකේ ඉන්නවා ක්ලබ් එකේ chairpersonsලා ඔය එක හැම ෆීල්ඩ් එකකට. මොකද දැන් මේකේ GAT membersලා cabinet membersලා ඉස්සර ඒ කට්ටියට voting right එක තිබුණා. Then constitutional amendment එකක් ගෙනල්ලා තියෙනවා. Then now they don't have the voting right. They don't have the voting right. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් international එක මේ GATT එකත් එක්ක එච්චර යන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද දැන් අපිට clubs වල ඉන්නවා membership එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා services වලට එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා leadership වලට තමයි නැත්නම් leadership අපේ president කරනවා කියන එක ඒ මේකේ තමයි ඒ frame එකේ තමයි යන්නේ. Anyway, we go ahead. This is still there.
ගවන ම එතන පොඩි කරෙක්ෂන් එකක් කරන්න වෙයි මට හිතෙන්නේ මේ ඒ ගැට් එකට නෙමෙයි අර වෝටින් නැහැ කියලා තියෙන්නේ ඩිස්ට්‍රික්ට් එකේ ඉන්න GLT GST කෝඩිනේටර්ස්ලට. ඒක ක්ලබ් එකට නෙමෙයි ඒක ඩිස්ට්‍රික්ට් එකට තමයි ඒක තියෙන්නේ. නමුත් මම දන්න තරමින් ගැට් එක තාම ගැට් එක තමයි ඇක්ටිව් තියෙන්නේ LCI එකේ. ගවන ශාන්තනි ඇඩ් කරන්න ඕනද?
No.
district convention එකේදී ඒකට අර කට්ටියට voting right එකක් නැහැ. කැබිනට් එකට යන්නේ ක්ලබ් එකේ එක්කෙනා නෙවෙයි ගැට් එකේ එක්කෙනා. GLT.
That is district GMT GLT GST. Not the club.
Yeah, ඒක තමයි district එකේ යන්නේ නැහැ.
Yeah. That's correct. Yes. Right. අපේ question එකක් දාද්දි පොඩි වැරද්දක් වුණා. වජිර එක correct කරලා තියෙනවා. Thank you very much වජිර. අපි කිව්වා my LCI කියලා. my LCI නෙමෙයි my lion app එකේ තමයි. Yeah, my lion එකේ තියෙන benefits තමයි අපි ඇහුවේ. my LCI is part of my lion. Thank you very much. Thank you for your active participation. Thank you. Right.
We put it there to see they're reading it properly.
Yes.
Sister, shall we stop it here, because the last question that you want to edit, I could not edit, because once you start, you can't edit also.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. We'll go to the question. We'll correct it. We'll correct the question. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. No, I think that's all we have, no?
No, question number 12.
12. No, only this I have.
Question number 12 is the get.
Okay.
District Governors Advisory Committee is the 12th question.
Yeah, question number 13. Question number 13 is there then.
No, only. You have sent only 12.
You have sent only 12.
අපි මේ තුන දැම්මනේ අපි ඊට පස්සේ.
නෑ ඒක එහෙම එකක් කියලා නෑ.
Why won't you, without taking a poll, just read it out and then
Yeah. We'll put the question to chat box. There are a lot of features in this Zoom, so we can make use of everything. Right. Okay. We'll the next question will.
What happened is Tusita, we remove the question number 8, no?
ඒකේ මොකක් හරි මේ වෙන්නේ. Right. No problem.
ඒකෙන් තමයි එකක් අඩුනේ එතන.
Right. Yeah. Right. Okay. Question number 13. Club officer who play a dynamic leading role in the club, who inspire and motivate the new and current members, increase club's visibility in the community, and increase the impact of the club projects and the membership initiatives. Who is this person? There are 4 answers given: club president, marketing and communication chairperson, immediate past president, or service chairperson.
also, since they can't vote.
Yeah, so you can you also can put the same answers in the chat. We'll give you 1 second. 1 minute. Please put A, B, C, or D in the chat. Then we give 1 minute and we'll go to the answer.
Lion Chandasiri, we are not showing the poll. Lion Tusijata spoke about it. So basically, it's
answer on the.
Just answer either A, B, C, or the name of the title.
Or you have to.
Tusita, you'll have to repeat it, Tusita.
Yes. So what we are asking in the last question is, there's a person who is involving in this particular role. He's a club officer who play a dynamic leading role in the club, who inspire and motivate new and current members, increase club's visibility in the community, and increase the impact of the club projects and membership initiatives. Who is this person? Whether it's a president, marketing and communication chairperson, immediate past president, or the service chairperson.
Carefully answer. We know who's answering now.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think everybody's got the idea.
Yes.
B and marketing and communications is the same, is it?
Yeah, it's the same.
Marketing and communication is 1 post, yes.
What you mean is also option B. It's also option B.
Right, I think they have got the idea. So this is what the description given in the LCI book about the marketing communication chairperson. This is his role. We have shared with you the answer is marketing and communication chairperson. We have shared the guidelines given by the LCI to him, as well as the LCI has given guidelines to all 8 posts. All the 8 ebooks and the guidelines are available in our website. During these presentations, training programs, we used to share, and we have another one session to before winding up, but we'll give about 10 or 5 minutes for the people to ask, the participants to ask if they have any questions. So it's an open forum, so you are free to ask. Yes,
Please
Shanna.
raise your hands if you have any
Yes.
questions.
These have passed.
Uma, you're unmute now.
Yeah.
These
To the people, there is a thing on the LCI called administrator or club administrator. So is it similar to the secretary's activity, or there's something different, which I know, but I just wanted to raise as a question over here so others also can understand.
Governor
Governor
Chandani.
Chandani or Governor Anna?
Lord Anwar. Yes, to be unmuted.
Governor Anma, you're unmuted.
I'm not very familiar, so I don't want to commit myself.
Okay.
Governor Chandani.
Okay. Club administrator. Actually, this post was created last year, and last year in the sense, sorry, for the current year. But it's mainly a person who will assist the club and who is computer savvy, because sometimes you find that the secretary is not competent in reporting, especially to LCI and doing all the club administrative work, especially in connection with LCI. So this particular post was created, but he or she is not a member of the board or anything like that, but it's just a designation which is purely to help the club administration with regard to the international. That person has all the facilities to change, update membership and do all services of the president and the secretary. But of course, at that time, I felt personally that it was a dangerous thing, because that person can wholly drop the whole club without the board knowing. So that was I don't know. I'm not very happy with a person being given that kind of authority. But that they have created that. But I think they are continuing with the same. Post this year also, right?
Yes, yes.
And also
Yes,
the club
John,
administrator is not necessarily a lion, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, yes, that is also there.
It can be
Can
like
be a guest.
some.
Can be a guest.
It be a guest, yes.
Yes.
Can be a guest.
Even district also
Has
have the opportunity has the opportunity
guests.
of appointing a guest.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but that is the purview of the district governing office.
Governor.
Yes, yes.
It's a purview of the district governor.
Okay.
Right. Before we conclude, I just want to take you all to Lions Learning Center, because most of these documents are available there, and you can do your own program and add those credits to your membership. So there are many courses available, not only in Lionsum. Lionsum, it says these days we have 5 main courses available. That is all club officers' responsibilities, then president's responsibilities, secretaries, treasurers, and membership chairperson. So these 5 are there. Apart from this, you have other things like motivation, public speaking, and various other modules are available. This is one of the benefits that the club members, that you have to mention that to your membership fee there's add value to your membership fee. If you can go there and do these training programs, they are very interactive, and you don't need to have a coach or a moderator to do that. You can do it in your own. The system will talk to you, and it is very user friendly. ඉතින් මම මේ රොෂාන්ට පුළුවන් ද අපිට පාත් එක පොඩ්ඩක් ඩිස්ප්ලේ කරන්න ෆයිල් එක ෂෙයා කරන්න. මම මේ ෆයිල් එක ෂෙයා කරලා තියෙනවා මේ අපේ chat box එකෙත් අපි නිකන් මේ ස්ක්‍රෝල් කරන් යන්න රොෂාන් උඩට මේක PDF එකක් මේක යන්න පුළුවන් අපි උඩට යන්න ෆයිල් එකේ පල්ලෙහාට යන්න මේකේ normally අපිට first step එක කියලා තියෙනවා අපිට Lions Clubs International website එකට ගිහිල්ලා create account එකක් විදිහට යන්න පුළුවන් ඒ වගේම membership account එකක් අපි register කරලා තියෙනවා නම් MyLion එක හරහා sign in කරන්න පුළුවන් තමන්ගේ membership එකෙන් එහෙම නැත්නම් register වෙලා යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර ඒකට අවශ්‍ය details ටික දීලා තියෙනවා email address එක mobile number එක වගේ දේවල්. දැන් මෙතන මේ වෙනකන් තව පොඩ්ඩක් පල්ලෙහාට right. ඔය screen එක තියන්න රොෂාන්. ඕක තියන්න. දැන් මේකේ Lions Club International එකේ මීට කලින් තිබ්බේ MyLion app එක යටතේ MyLCI එක MyLion එක shop insights. දැන් learning center එක add වෙලා තියෙනවා මේකට. ඒතර learning center එකට අපි ගියාම පල්ලෙහාට යමු. learning center එකේ අපිට areas තුනක් ආව වෙනවා. මෙතනින් go කියන එක අපි click කරපුවාම yes you can go down Roshan. අපිට පුළුවන් online training programs මේක තමයි අපි mainly කතා කරන එක. ඊට අමතරව institute training and local trainings ත් තියෙනවා. අපි local training set කරලා තියෙනවා. the online training එකට ගිහිල්ලා go කියලා අපි ඒක click කරපුවාම අපිට යන්න පුළුවන් ඊළඟ එකට. එතන අපිට පෙන්නුම් කරනවා අපේ dashboard එක දෙනවා. එතන අපිට select කරන්න පුළුවන් අපි පල්ලෙහාට යමු page එකේ. ඊළඟ page එකට යන්න රොෂාන්. right. දැන් මේක විදිහට තමයි dashboard එක තියෙන්නේ. මේකේ ඔයගලන්ට පෙන්නුම් කරනවා ඔක්කොම available courses මොනවද. සමහරකට දැන් අපි login එකෙන් ඒගොල්ලෝ decide කරනවා governor කෙනෙක් log වුණොත් governor ට offer කරන programs මොනවද. එහෙම නැත්නම් member කෙනෙකුට දෙන programs මොනවද. club president මොකද මේ ඔක්කොම. මේක තමයි P101 එකේ තියෙන importance එක Lions Club එකට. ඒතර ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒකෙන් trace කරලා ගන්නවා membership number එකත් එක්ක what is the position you hold and what are the programs that they are recommending. You will be shortlisted the programs that is available for you to attend. So once you complete the program, is 0 keneka 100 hari 90 hari මොකද ඒක වෙන්නේ once they give the knowledge they want you to go through a quick questionnaire. දැන් අපි මේකට use කරලා දින ගොඩක් questions ඒකෙන් හැබැයි cut and paste කරලා ගන්න බෑ ඔක්කොම type කරලා ගන්න ඕන. ඒකයි ගොඩක් තැන්වලදී අපිට සමහරක් වෙලාවට mistakes වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. අර ඒක මේ කෙලින්ම word document එකක් හරි pdf එකක් හරි හැටියට download කරන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් ඒක හොඳයි ඒක resource center එකේ ඒක තියෙන්න ඕන. නමුත් ඒක අපිට මෙතනින් ගන්න පුළුවන් අරගෙන මේ programs වලට සහභාගී වෙන්න මේකෙන් තමන්ගේ profile එක හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. This will create your own profile. So you are a person who have done this much of courses, and if you go to the other learning opportunities provided by the LCI, those are there. The ALLI, RLLI, and all these courses are available. RLLI and other things are organized by the multiple and the local, but the ALLI upwards is organized by the LCI. I think මේ benefits ටික අපේ members වලට කියන්න මොකද සමහර තැන්වලදී මේ member benefits කියන කතා කරන්න විදියක් නැති වෙනවා. මේ එක single module එකක් අපි download කරලා මොකක් හරි university එකක් එක්ක එක්කව වෙලා කරනවා නම් ඒක අපි pound ගාණක් එහෙම නැත්නම් dollars ගාණක් දීලා කරන්න ඕන program එකක්. ඉතින් අපිට එහෙම programs 10ක් ගිය අවුරුද්දේ offer කරලා තිබ්බා මේ multiple එකේ මේ district එකට ඒත් එක program එකකට මම හිතන්නේ ගෙව්වා $40 විතර ගෙව්වා අපි members වලට දෙන්න. ඉතින් දැන් ඒ caliber එකේ තියෙන programs තමයි මේවා. So Roshan file sharing එක අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. මේක මම හිතන්නේ very important. අපේ හැම member කෙනෙකුටම මේ අදහස යන්න ඕනේ මේක නිකන් very freely you can do this. No one going to force you, and it's also gives you the time. මේ දැන් පටන් ගත්ත කියලා දැන් කරලා ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. You can keep it available and it will give some time for you to complete that particular module, and then it will add to your profile. So I'll invite all of you, please try at least CUP secretaries responsibilities program එක හරි ඇවිල්ලා කරන්න. ඒක ගොඩක් important. It's very easy and user friendly. You will enjoy doing that. Okay, so the panelists, thank you very much. Governor Chandani, Governor Rakogama, Governor Ganamini, Governor Parakrama couldn't make it today, and also Governor Anwar. Thank you for your support and enlightening all our members. Now I call our first Vice District Governor, Lain Umashankar, to give the closing remarks and vote of thanks.
Thank you, Tusita. Sorry, Governor-elect Dr. Amita couldn't join today. She is in Matra with her father, so she was unable to join in the training session. So today's training session, I think most of the people got a bit of a understanding about what the secretary has to do with the system and to use the system, the LCI, and register themselves. So as clearly pointed out by the panel, it's not for the club, it's for the individual who needs to register to get the ID and log in and do the changes. So, and I'd like to thank Shana for enlightening us on the very important matter, that the secretary's matter, to all participants over here, and also to the mentor, past District Governor Chandani Vitana, for guiding Shana to make this presentation. Thank you, Governor. And also other governors, Dr. Senra, Dr. Goma, Governor Anwadol, and Governor Ganamini, who gave their input on, there were some suggestions and different ideas, but everything was given to understand how the secretary and the communication chairman should work together. And I like to thank Lan Kirti for helping us to run the Zoom training program. He's going to support us. There are a few more to come. So thank you, Kirti, for not only for this, but helping us all the Zoom meetings starting in the evenings at 7 also. So thank you and keep up the good work. And GMT coordinator for arranging, Tusita, for arranging the entire questionnaires and following it up and supporting the team. Thank you and keep up the good work. Hope tomorrow, again, once again, I'd like to remind there is a treasurer's training program, which will be done by our current cabinet treasurer, Chaminda. I think he was here and yeah, I think he's still there. He's still there, so he'll be ready for tomorrow's program. So it's not limited to only to the treasurers. Anybody can join using the same link. So join and get more idea and understanding. So thank you. I thank all the people who has participated today's program. Thank you very much. Without your presence and actively participating, we would have not been a successful program. Thank you, everyone, and have a good evening. Thanks.
Thank you, Uma. Thank you, Shana, and thank you, everyone. So we'll meet tomorrow for the treasurer's training. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you,
Everyone,
Kirti.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.